Hello everyone. Exergic Gate 2025 rank predictor is live now. It is working now. There are a few points that you need to keep in mind regarding that. Firstly, that you can check your most accurate rank there, but it needs to have a couple of thousand entries for slightly accurate, more accurate prediction, right? So initially when you paste it for a few thousand students, it will show you your marks and accuracy and all those things, but your rank will show up only after a couple of thousand students have tried the rank predictor for the better accuracy. So you need to share it as much as possible. As much as students will try it, its accuracy is going to go up. Point number 2, to access it, simply go to Exergic's website. There will be a banner on the top with the name rank predictor. You click on that banner, log in there, paste your response URL, and you will be able to see all the details regarding your rank and prediction of your rank. Make sure that if you're facing any sort of difficulty, you can contact us, you can email us, and we'll help you out. I wish you all the best.